Hi, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll walk through how to make a graph in Illustrator so you can turn your data into clean and editable visuals. Step 1. Start by selecting the graph tool from the toolbar, which is grouped with other graph options like bar and pie charts. Click and drag on the artboard to draw a graph area, and a data window will automatically open where you can enter or paste values. Step 2. Add your data by typing directly into the graph data window, or by copying data from Excel and pasting it using Ctrl+V or Command+V. This step is important because Illustrator uses this data to generate the graph in real time. Step 3. Click the Apply button to create the graph, then edit the data again if needed by removing rows or adjusting values. Illustrator updates the graph instantly, making it easy to refine labels, numbers, and layout. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Illustrator tutorials.